Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today's video we're going to unbox this bit socket set, or security bits. Supposedly comes with a lifetime warranty. $13-piece. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, let's take a close look. It's a nice padding here on the top. Nice and solid. Let's go ahead and see one. As you can see, has a little hole. These are security Torx. These look pretty good. Let's go ahead and compare it to the ones I bought off O'Reilly. These are the ones you can get off the shelf usually. They're the ones on O'Reilly are like $8, $15, somewhere around there. These are already starting to rust, the ones from O'Reilly. I've had them for about 1 year. They have been in well kept condition and inside a dry place, not outside or anything. They're starting to rust. As you can see, the little hole does not line up correctly. They're pretty cheap. This one's right in the middle. Right in the middle. These will definitely replace these. The ones on top, ones here on top, T8H all the way to T30. These are for the 1/4 ratchet. The ones here on the bottom, from the 40 all the way to the 55, these are 3/8 drive. This one is 1/2 inch drive. All in all, I'm excited with this purchase. It's not too expensive. Comes with a nice little case. I'll link it in the description where I got them from Amazon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.